Imagine eating just one meal a day, no breakfast, no lunch, only one big plate to fuel your body. Sounds extreme, right? But what if I told you some people swear by it for weight loss, energy, and even longevity? Could this be the fastest fat-burning hack, or is it a dangerous trend that's secretly harming your health? Stay tuned, because what I'm about to share might change the way you think about food forever. We're diving into the science, the myths, the benefits, and the real dangers of the one-meal-a-day lifestyle. By the end, you'll know exactly if this is a game changer for you, or a health trap you should avoid. But first, would you dare to eat just one meal for 24 hours? Comment your first reaction, yes or no, before we get started. Welcome back, Health Explorers. Today, we're diving into the hot topic everyone's curious about. One meal a day, also known as OMAD. Does it burn fat or burn you out? Can it boost your health or harm it in the long run? And most importantly, should you try it? Before we break it down, let me ask you, have you ever skipped meals before? How did you feel? Sluggish or surprisingly energetic? Comment below. I want to know your experience. Section 1. So, what exactly is OMAD? It's a form of intermittent fasting where you eat all your daily calories in one meal, usually within a 1-hour eating window, and then fast for the remaining 23 hours. Some people do it with a huge dinner, others with lunch, but the idea is simple. One meal, one shot at nutrition. Sounds easy? Or maybe a little insane? Would you be able to go 23 hours without food? Think about it. And think about your day. Which meal would you keep if you had to choose only one? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? It's trending everywhere, on TikTok, YouTube, even celebrities are doing it. But here's the question. Does this trend live up to the hype, or is it another extreme shortcut? We're going to break this down step by step, from how your body reacts in the first few days to what happens after weeks or months, and the right way versus the dangerous way to do OMAD. Section 2. Let's talk about what happens to your body when you eat one meal a day. First, blood sugar and insulin. Your insulin levels drop. That's great for fat burning. But could it make you dizzy or weak during the day? Second, fat burning mode. When your body runs out of glucose, it starts burning fat for energy. Hello, weight loss. But is this sustainable long term? Third, energy and focus. Some people report razor-sharp focus. Others feel like they're going to pass out. Which one do you think you'd be? Fourth, digestive rest. Your gut gets a long break. Less bloating, better digestion. But wait, cramming all nutrients in one meal can also overwhelm your stomach. The first 24 hours. What happens when you skip meals? Glycogen depletion, insulin drop, hunger hormones, ghrelin spikes, and how they calm down. Mental battle, cravings versus discipline. Have you ever gone 24 hours without food? Did your hunger fade or get worse? Drop your experience in the comment. 1 week on OMAD, weight loss in the first week, mostly water and glycogen. Increased ketone production. Possible fatigue, headaches, mood swings. 1 month on OMAD, metabolic adaptation. Body becomes more efficient at burning fat. Muscle loss risk if protein is insufficient. Social and psychological challenges, skipping family meals, cravings at night. Would you sacrifice your social dinners for faster weight loss? Or does food mean more than just calories for you? Section 3. Is it good for your health? Here's where it gets interesting. OMAD has both potential benefits and risks. Benefits: weight loss and fat reduction, improved insulin sensitivity, better digestion and reduced bloating, simpler eating routine, less meal prep. Risks: nutrient deficiencies, vitamins, minerals, protein. Muscle breakdown if not enough protein. Hormonal imbalances, especially in women. Fatigue and irritability. Would you trade long-term health for short-term results? Be honest. Are you doing this for weight loss only or for overall well-being? Would you risk some nutrient deficiencies for faster weight loss? Or do you believe slow and steady wins the race? Section 4. Who should try and who should avoid? OMAD might work for healthy adults with sedentary or light activity levels are looking to lose weight or simplify eating. Not ideal for everyone, especially pregnant women, diabetic, athletes, or if you're underweight or have an active job, or people with eating disorders and people with health conditions. This may not be safe. Think about your own lifestyle. Could you power through work, gym, and daily life on one meal? Section 5. Tips for doing OMAD safely. If you're still curious and want to try it, here's how to make it safer. First, what to eat. Balanced macronutrient, lean proteins, healthy fats, veggies. Second, hydration is key. Water, herbal teas, black coffee can help. Third, start slow. Try 2 meals first, then move to 1. Avoid binge eating. One meal doesn't mean junk food buffet. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, stop immediately. If you had just one plate to fuel your whole day, what would you put on it? Rice and curry, steak and salad, or a giant pizza? Be honest. So, is eating one meal a day the miracle fix? For some, yes. For others, it can backfire. The real key is balance. Eat to nourish, not just to shrink your waistline. Would you dare to try OMAD for a week? Or do you think it's too extreme? Comment below and share your results with us. I'll be reading your answers. If you want quick fat loss and have the discipline, OMAD may be worth a try. But do it smartly and always listen to your body. Health is not about extremes, it's about balance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you love content that challenges the way we think about health and nutrition. Until next time, eat smart, stay curious, and take care of your health. Or do you believe 3 meals a day is the only healthy way? Comment below. 1 meal or 3 meals? What's your routine?